Molweni, Kuilies.
Hello, Kuilies. Just a friendly COVID-19 protocol reminder.
Jou gesigmasker moet ten alle tye bo op jou neus en mond bly.
Remember to stay 1 meter away from each other inside the building and 1.5 meter outside.
En moenie vergeet om jou mede-Kuilie te groet nie.
Good morning, all Kuilies and staff members. I hope you had a wonderful few weeks. I just want to bring you a little small message that is dear to my heart. So I want you to look at this clean piece of paper, and I want you to see this as somebody's heart that you are working with. So I wish I had some kids to explain to you better, but here we go. So everything that you say to someone has repercussions, and I want you to, every time and throughout these following 2 weeks, I want you to especially take some time and think before you talk or say something to someone, because this is the effect. Let me show you. So if this is a person's heart and you tell him, "Oh, you look terrible today," it makes a little mark in his heart. And then later the day, somebody tells you, "Oh, you're just a terrible person to be around with." And then someone else can tell you, "Why are your dad driving such a bad car?" And ripples effect. And then you have another person just swearing at him, and he just crumbles his heart again. So then, in the end of the day, if you try to fix what you did, yes, we teach you to say sorry and to apologize. But that's just words, like this was just words. But let's take this as a person's heart and we say, apologize. So in Afrikaans, ek is verskriklik jammer dat ek vir jou gesê het oor jou pa se kar. Ek is jammer oor jou lelike, ek is jammer oor alles wat ek vir jou gesê het. So get straighten, you straighten this person's heart, but just have a look there. It will never be the perfect page or the perfect heart that it was before all of these bad words and stuff were thrown to this person's heart. So it is straightened, but it's still wrinkled. And that is the effect of your words on somebody else's life. You can apologize, you can say sorry how many times, and they will accept. But the damage will always be there. So think twice, think hard before you say something to someone. Have a lovely week.
Good morning, Kuilies. The other day I read a very powerful quote. It said, "Be careful how you speak to yourself. Someone very important might be listening. You." Besom wat jy vir jouself sê, iemand belangrik luister, jy. In this academic minute, I want to empower you with a different phrase to use. Instead of saying, "I cannot do this," I want you to change your mindset by adding a 3-letter word. I cannot do this yet. Ek kan dit nog nie doen nie, maar met harde werk kan jy dit wel bereik. Wees positief oor jou akademie en motiveer jouself in hierdie eerste kwartaal. Ek weet jy kan dit doen.
Good morning, Kuilies of Caplen. It's nice seeing you all on this Friday morning. I'm here to tell you the next value that we're going to be looking at in March. Our value for March is unite. So the idea behind it is that we unite against everything that's going to tackle us in 2021, everything that's going to challenge us in 2021. I will read you a quote just to try to inspire you a bit. When spiders unite, they can tie down a lion. Just think about that. Even the smallest thing can attack or challenge the biggest problem. Good luck with this year. We hope that everything goes well and take all those challenges on and do your best.
Ubuntu is a collection of values and practices that people of Africa or of African origin view as making people authentic human beings. Ubuntu is a Nguni Bantu term meaning humanity. It is often translated as I am because we are, or humanity towards others, or in Xhosa, umntu ngumntu ngabantu, but it is often used in a more philosophical sense to mean the belief in a universal bond of sharing.
Yon kan lonely is me, this brother, him. Yeah.
Excuse me? What did you just say? I dare you to speak in. I dare you to make friends with me. In fact, I challenge you.
Our challenge for the month of March is to incorporate unity into our school.
We dare you to form a friendship with a fellow Kuilie.
Post a picture of you and your new friend on social media and tag us at the Kuilie High School. Hashtag unity, hashtag the Kuilie.
The words of J.K. Rowling ring truth for me today. We are only as strong as we are united, as weak as we are divided.
What does unity mean to you?
For me, unity means strength.
Togetherness and being there for each other.
Unity means coming together to support one another.
It means knowing everyone is different but still choosing to stand together. Een saam met die Kuilie hoërskool is ons almal as soos 'n familie kan leef.
Unity means to me is that umntu ngumntu ngabantu.